Our goal for this video is to understand how we can compare GDP numbers over time. And to do that, we're going to introduce a really simplified model of calculating GDP. So this is totally hypothetical, but we're just going to assume that we have a country that produces only two products. We have all the information about the prices of those products and the quantity of the products that is sold in each time period. So we're going to calculate GDP in each time period, talk about what that means and how we can compare GDP over time. In this example, we have a country that is producing wheat and milk. We've got 2004, 2005, and 2006. We've got 3 years of data and then price and quantity information for each year. What we're going to do to calculate GDP is to add up the market value of all of the goods being produced in that country. Right? This is what we call nominal GDP for 2004. This country produced 100 units of wheat, and the value of that is $1 per unit. And they also produced 100 units of milk, which had a value of $2.50 per unit. We're using prices to represent the values so that we can add up production across different industries. Then we can get a number for the total value of everything produced in that year. That would be $350. So nominal GDP in 2004. Now we will do that same calculation in 2005 and 2006. And we get this number representing the total value of all production in that time period. I'm going to write all of this out here because what we want to do now is think about what that means when we compare our GDP numbers over time. I can see here that my nominal GDP is increasing. Does that mean that total production has increased over time? Well, it's actually pretty unclear just from looking at this total GDP number, because this nominal GDP number reflects increases in production in quantity, but it also reflects changes in price. Part of the reason this number is going up is because the price of these products has increased over time. So it would be possible to see increasing nominal GDP even if production had stayed the same or decreased simply due to increases in price. We don't use nominal GDP to compare the level of production over time.